I'm Henry Wynne, and I'm a 1,500-meter runner with the Brooks Beast Track Club. It's been amazing to see the progress of the team from when I first joined, where the goal was to make U.S. championships, to now medaling at Worlds and Olympics. The progress there has been insane to be a part of, and it's really just helped me become a better athlete myself. I think my biggest accomplishment is the distance medley relay world record that we set last year. It was very cool to do it as a team, as a Brooks Beast team, because we took it actually from Team USA. So instead of a bunch of different people coming together from different groups to set the record, it was just the four of us who trained together every day. And so getting a world record with people you train with every day who you consider close friends, there's nothing better than that. As you know, I'm almost 8 years on the team. We've locked it in with our nutritionist, Dr. Kyle. We do a lot more supplementation, a lot more intentional with our protein intake, and we all know specifically what we need. And so it's been great working with Now Sports because we get to use the best products and make sure we're getting everything that we need. Yeah, this is a very exciting year for me because it's been a few years of back-to-back progression, personal bests, and staying healthy, so I think I can have a big breakthrough. I'm really looking forward to the outdoor season that's coming up. U.S. Championships, of course, one of the biggest races of the year, and trying to make the Team USA World Championships Tokyo team.